Hey guys, today I'll be giving you a few different tips for ways you can optimize your Shopify website. Let's get straight into the video. The first tip, this is a way that you can improve your homepage to announce a lot of your discounts, your new arrivals, and even anything you have launching soon. And this would be to stack announcements on your homepage. I'm going to show you how to stack a few different types of announcements above your header bar so that your customers can see those the moment they open your website. Popular beauty brands like e.l.f. Cosmetics uses this method to make sure that when customers first open up their website or their homepage, they'll be able to see the store's offers, discounts, and any other shop announcements. On Shopify, you'll want to go in to customize your website. Once you open your website, I'll first be showing you how to add a traditional announcement bar and how to add links to actually link that announcement bar to other pages in your website. You'll want to hover over your website's header. Then you're going to click the plus icon and click Add Section. So here I'm going to insert an announcement bar. And this is where not only can you make a single shop announcement, but you can actually create multiple announcements on one single announcement bar, and you can animate them. I'm going to click this arrow to exit the announcement bar. And under header is where you should see your different announcement bars that you can customize. I'm going to select this announcement bar, and then I'm going to drag my mouse to reposition it at the very top of the website. And just so you can get a better idea, I'm going to remove my existing announcement bar. And to actually customize the text of your announcement bar, when you hover over it, you should see a mini box underneath it. And when you click on that, it should take you to the area where you can adjust the text on the announcement bar. You can announce any discounts that you're running, any flash sales, and also if you have specific sales for specific product collections. Then to redirect customers to where they can shop that sale or that product collection, you can select your announcement bar text. And under link, you're going to click on this section. And this is where you can link that text to another page or product collection inside your store. If you're also announcing any new products that you just launched, you can insert a link leading directly to the product. So this is just an example whole shop sale. So I'm going to link it to where customers can shop the entire store. To do that, you can click the products tab and you can select all products. That way it's going to take customers to where they can shop your catalog page, which should have all of your store products. You can also display your social media icons on your announcement bar. So to do that, you'll want to click on the announcement bar, and under social media icons, you should be able to enable and show those icons. And if you haven't yet linked your socials to your Shopify website, it's pretty simple to do that. So you'll want to click Theme Settings, and then you're going to scroll down until you see the social media section. And this is where you can paste in links leading to your brand's social media pages. After you paste in those links, you should see the social media icons appear on your announcement bar. Especially if you market on social media, this can be a great way to direct your customers straight over to your social media pages where they can see more photos and even videos of your products. By the way, if you guys like this beauty website that you see in this video, this is one of my Shopify theme templates. I do have this Shopify theme along with a line of other Shopify themes for in case you would like to save the time from creating and designing your website completely from scratch. Using a Shopify theme can help you to build your website and have a professional look and layout to display your different collections, your services, and more, without you having to spend a ton of time. If you're not too familiar with Shopify themes, the template will arrive in a zip file format, and when you open Shopify, then go to your homepage, you'll be able to upload that website theme straight into your store, and you can publish it and begin editing it and adding your products. Most of my Shopify templates are template bundles, so they do include an installation guide with instructions and screenshots to show you how to install the Shopify theme. I have a wide variety of Shopify templates for different types of business niches, including skincare, dropshipping, and even coaching businesses. My theme bundles also include additional templates, like web banner templates, logo templates, and more. If you're looking to save the time from having to design and lay out your website from scratch, you can grab one of my Shopify themes from my website, which I will link in the description box below. There's more types of announcements you can add. So you can hover over your announcement bar, click the plus icon, and then you can insert another announcement bar. This is where we're going to be creating a shipping announcement. So for example, if you have free shipping on orders over $35, or if you have a specific shipping announcement that you need to make based on specific countries, you can make that here. You'll also have some different customization options for your announcement bar. I'm going to set a new color scheme for this announcement. Then inside your Sections tab, you're going to hover over that announcement and then click on the box where you can edit the text. This is where you can make your website shipping announcement. And that's how you can make a shipping announcement to add to your announcement bar. Sometimes not only will you want to announce sales, but you might also want to announce any of your shipping details as well as new launches. And here's how this looks on a mobile device. To actually optimize this announcement, in case you wanted to show multiple different announcements, what you want to do is hover over the announcement bar section, and when you click this plus icon or the add announcement, right underneath it, it should let you add a new announcement that's going to stay on that specific announcement bar. So for example, if I click the arrow, it's going to show me that free shipping announcement, and then it's going to show me another announcement, and you can repeat that step to create multiple announcements on the same announcement bar, and then just click on each one and customize it to say the text that you would like. And you'll just want to click on the announcement bar, and off to your left under announcements is where you can apply animations so that you can have these automatically rotate or automatically switch. So I'm going to apply the auto rotate announcements, and then you can select how often you would like the announcements to change. When you apply those settings, basically when a customer is on your website, it's automatically going to switch between announcements. Stacking announcements can help to optimize your website by letting your customers know any important store updates or store details that they need to know, especially if you're launching any new products or if you're running any new sales. The next tip would be to feature your bestsellers collection on your homepage. This is a great way to push out products that you know that your customers already love. And I'm going to show you how to create a best-selling collection and how to feature it here on your homepage. On Shopify, you'll first want to open your products page. Then you're going to click collections. This is where you can create a brand new collection, or you can also open up an existing collection. I'm going to click add collection. Then under title, I'm going to title this bestsellers. You can also write a mini collection description if you would like. Under collection type, you can either set this to manual so that when you click browse, you can manually select which products you would like to add to this collection, or you can set it to smart, which allows you to automatically add specific products to this collection. So for this collection, you can just click manual, and then under products, you can browse for which products you would like to add, or you can click the browse button and select the products you would like to add. Then you'll want to click the add button. Once you're done, you'll want to make sure that the sorting setting is set to best selling. This way it's going to display your best selling products at the top of the collection. Next, I'm going to click save to save that collection. Then you'll want to open up your website, and you can decide where on your homepage you would like to feature that bestsellers collection. So I'm going to hover in between sections, and you'll want to click add section. And here I'm going to insert a featured collection. This is where you can select to display that product collection. So I'm going to retitle the heading text. And next to collection is where you can select the collection you would like to feature. So I've selected that bestsellers collection. Also, I know a lot of you guys are brand new to Shopify, and it can feel overwhelming trying to figure everything out. I created a Shopify beginners training to guide you step by step through the setup process. It walks you through navigating the dashboard, setting up payments, shipping and taxes, and also creating your products, pages, and menus. You'll also learn about launch prep, Shopify apps, and some store marketing methods. Plus, I included a 30-page digital planner to keep your store's backend organized so that you have everything you need in one place to launch your Shopify store. The link to the training is in the description box below. And let's say you have more than 4 products in this collection, and you want customers to be able to click a View All button so that they can browse the entire collection. You want to make sure that the View All button is enabled. You can adjust some of the settings in case you would like to display more products or even less products at a time on desktop. You can select if you would like to make the products full width, so when I enable this, it's going to make the products take up a little bit more space on the website. Then when you scroll down, you'll see this quick add section, and next to this, you can select to add sort of a quick add to cart button underneath the products. This is in case you want customers to be able to quickly add the product to their cart. We're going to take a look at the mobile layout for this section. So I'm going to click the mobile icon here, and you'll see it has stacked the products. Here under mobile layout is where you can apply different settings. You can select to just show one column at a time, so that when customers scroll through, they're seeing each individual product. And you can also select to enable the swipe on mobile so that customers can swipe through those products. And you can also show 2 columns at a time while having the swipe on mobile applied. Feel free to also add multiple featured collections to your homepage. You may have a bestsellers collection or even a new launch collection that you may want to feature on your homepage. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you are interested in this Shopify template, I will have this link in my description box below. And I also have a wide variety of other types of Shopify templates designed for clothing, apparel, beauty, and many other types of businesses. If you're not too familiar with Shopify theme templates, after your order, you're going to receive it in a theme zip file format. And here on Shopify, you'll have the option to install that theme zip file straight into your store. You'll be able to edit the section, and you'll be able to add your pictures and products. Most of my Shopify themes are template bundles, so they do include other templates like logo templates, banner templates, and more. Those will be linked in my description box below. Thank you all so much for watching.